How to create an account on Ghibliart.AI. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Ghibliart.AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Ghibli.AI. Once you enter their website, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the icon for sign in. Tap on it. Click on it. Now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for sign up. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you need to write down your email address. Once you write down your email address, now tap on get code. Ghibliart.AI will send you an verification code. Once you enter the verification code, now you need to make a strong password so that no one can steal your account. Once you fill up all the details, just simply tap on sign up. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna create an account on Ghibliart.AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.